In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Excel worksheet tabs are not visible on the bottom of your Excel workbook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into it. So what you want to do first is select the View tab up at the top. Select the View tab and then select where it says Arrange All. Just go ahead and left click on that. And check mark at the bottom where it says Windows of Activated Workbook and select OK. And hopefully at this point this should have been able to resolve your problem. One further thing you can try here as well, if you go up to the File tab, select Options near the bottom, select the Advanced tab on the left side, and then on the right underneath Display Options for this workbook, make sure it's checkmarked where it says Show Sheet Tabs right here. So make sure that's checkmarked and select OK. So again, hopefully that was a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.